Hello, my name is Don Bosco. I am an Indian citizen. I am not belonging to any part of politics. Thought of talking in Tamil, since this kind of crimes are happening in all states of India, thought of using our common language English. If any grammatical mistake is there, please forgive me. India got independence in the year 1947. After the freedom, there are lots of improvement or lots of transformation happened in India. We moved to a digital world. But lots of crimes are happening still now, especially rapes. As per the recent report, around 80 to 100 rapes are happening on a daily basis. All the victims are getting justice on time. All the rapists are hanged at the earliest. Why this kind of crimes are still going on? If it continues, there won't be any women in the world. If there are no women, we know there won't be any men as well. Dress code. Who are we to judge a woman based on the dress she is wearing? We don't have a right to talk about her dress code. If a man is wearing without shirt or off pant, it's okay. But if a woman is wearing what the dress she would like to wear, we are so judgmental and thinking that she is calling for something else. And now the emerging reason is like women are being raped due to the unemployment happening, and due to this corona thing, 1 crore unemployment opportunities are there. So it means the rape count may get increased also. If you see the list of the rape counts and the rapist history, you would see that this will also be a fake statement. Instead of giving reasons to women or advising to women, why can't we punish the rapist at the earliest? I believe every man should respect the woman, irrespective of caste, religion or anything. Earlier we thought that banning porn site would reduce the rape count, but rapes are still going on. I thought coronavirus will reduce the rape count, but unfortunately there are cruel animals who are raping COVID positive women also. Unless we passed a new law and hang the real rapist on time, this kind of crimes won't get reduced. I am against that fake allegation, but I request all the judges to pass a new law so that this kind of criminal should be punished at the earliest and we can get justice for the victim. In the upcoming days, we should not see any crimes happening. I request all the policemen to protect all the women in our country, irrespective of their caste, religion and ages, and don't bend under any powers. I request lawyer to be loyal instead of to be professional. If you know that your client is rapist, don't try to save him. I request all the journalists to cover the real news and share it to the public irrespective of your TRP. If possible, share the count of rape happened in your states on a monthly basis and the number of justice delivered to the victim on a monthly basis. One day I am damn sure that the number of crimes happening in India should become zero and the number of justice delivered to all victims should be fulfilled. And this kind of rapists should be hanged at the earliest. My humble request to all parents to teach your kids with humanity. Teach them how to respect others, how to respect women. If you found your kid done this kind of crime, don't try to support them or try to save them. Just hand over him to the police. And I request all the men to stop violence against women under any form. Either it should be rape or teasing or anything. Let's stop them. Let's make our country, India, free from rapes and any other crimes. Thank you.